When you talk about fruits that can be used to boost ovulation, talk about Gorontula, also called African snot apple in English language. When you talk about natural fruits that can be used to increase the urge for ozarum, talk about Gorontula. Gorontula is actually a honey pot. It can make somebody to feel like doing the do, and it makes the person to release a good quality egg. And when it comes to women getting pregnant and other things, it helps to boost the chances because Gorontula can actually make someone to hyper ovulate. So Gorontula is not just ordinary fruit, it is just a natural gift of God to mankind that have been used traditionally long ago to boost ovulation. Not only that, to also increase the urge to do the do. You get it now? So if your honey pot you don't feel anything like the thing no dey wet, that means Gorontula is for you. If when you're supposed to see your egg, you release egg, but egg that you always release doesn't have good quality, that means you actually need Gorontula. Gorontula, when it comes to people that are ovulating low, ovulation is of different type. There's low. If it is too low, you cannot get pregnant with that. So it helps to give it a good quality. And at some point, somebody can even hyper ovulate. When you hyper ovulate, it means that you release two egg. So this Gorontula is just so sweet in taste like honey, just a natural. God is too wonderful. Men can take Gorontula, but it is mostly used by the women. If you want to use Gorontula, these are the three ways that you can use Gorontula. Number one, when you get your Gorontula, you have to wash it very well. Then open it. When you bring one like this, you open it. When you open it, you see many seeds inside it. Then remove that seed that is inside. After removing the seed, then soak it inside water. You can soak it in cold water for just 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can then filter it and throw the chaff and start drinking the water. Half glass cup morning and night. If you are taking this, make sure say you dey with your paddy because your body fit do you totori anyhow. So that if you do you totori, you go see person wey you go use whole body. You get it now. So another way you can use it is by boiling. Just get it, wash it very thoroughly, remove the seed inside and boil it. Boil it for 30 minutes and then bring it down and start taking it half glass cup morning, half glass cup night. One thing about Gorontula is that you can take it at any time. But if you want to use it to boost ovulation, it is better you start immediately after your period so that by the time that your ovulation will come, it will come out nice, neat, whitish, slippery, nice ovulation quality egg. So the third step on how you can take Gorontula is by chewing. As you're seeing it like this, you can just decide to chew it. Just by chewing it, you remove that seed inside and chew it. You can chew two morning and chew another two at night. Continue chewing it. If you are doing it for ovulation, as I've said, just start immediately after your period finish. Likewise, other style, anyone you are using, whether boiling, soaking, or chewing, just do it immediately after a period. But if you are using it so that it can increase the urge to do the do, you can chew it any moment, anytime, and it will do its work. Honestly speaking, Africans are down with a lot of natural sweet gifts, and Gorontula is one.